What is a VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. A virtual private network, or VPN, is an encrypted connection over the internet from a device to a network. The encrypted connection helps ensure that sensitive data is safely transmitted. It prevents unauthorized people from eavesdropping on the traffic and allows the user to conduct work remotely. How does a virtual private network, VPN, work? A VPN extends a standard network through encrypted connections made over the internet. The traffic on the virtual network is sent securely by establishing an encrypted connection across the internet known as a tunnel. VPN traffic from a device such as a computer, tablet, or smartphone is encrypted as it travels through this tunnel. The VPN is commonly controlled by software which is usually installed on the client device. Companies and individuals use VPNs to secure their connections and data across the internet. They are also used to bypass blocks and filters online. For example, many people use Identity Cloaker to access the BBC from outside the United Kingdom. The VPN hides your real location, which means you can watch or access any site irrespective of your real location. Visit www.identityvoucher.co.uk.